Hello guys, for today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to live alone and how to save money para ma-achieve pud nimo yung mga financial freedom. Kabalo mo, if bata pa mo, like naapa mo sa mga 20s, you are lucky if you're already financially literate. Nga naman, guys, you are at the peak of your strength. Remember that. So here are my tips para sa imuhang guide. First, you have or you need to invest in yourself. Yes, you heard it right, guys. Kailangan jud unahon sa nato atong sarili. Lahira jud guys if we are knowledgeable enough how to manage or how to handle our own finances. Pwede ra gud ta mag-Google guys, paun sa maging financially literate. Like if naa mo earnings, ilasan ninyo inyong savings sa inyong income, then whatever left is para sa inyong expenses. Then as much as possible, you have to practice living your life below your means. Kay dili lali mangitag kwarta. And of course, para makastart mo, you need to have self-control and self-discipline. Dili lalim jud i-apply imong mga natunan or ang imong mga learnings kung walay disiplina sa sarili. Because in the first place, you're not used to it na mag-save. Second is, find multiple ways how to earn more money, like side hustles. Pwede ra gud mo mag-online selling, guys. Since into social media na po ta karon, into social media era na ta, pwede po mo mag-affiliate. And others na makapagdagdag sa inyo ang earnings. And the last but not the least is start now. Ayan, nagpaugma-ugmain na siya. Start right away para dili lang taon drawing imong mga dreams and plans. That's all for today and I hope na nako na impart pod gamay na tips sa inyo ha. God bless Pilipinas. So, i-share na ko ninyo guys how I achieve my savings. So, moto, I quit my job and then gipurso na ako akong online selling. Nagapanguha ko mga items sa Baclaran, Divisoria. Then nagakuha po ko mga other items sa mga suppliers. Then, gina-resell na ako sa online. Then, aside from that, nag-affiliate po ko sa ubang platforms. Then, nag-receive ko mga online jobs. Then, if na ko yung ma-earn, ginahulugasan ako akong savings. Then, unsay mabilin, walang po to akong ginapagkasya para sa akong expenses. That's all.